The port of Gijón is located halfway along the northern coast of Spain, in Asturias, a region known for its exuberant nature, its landscape, and its industrial tradition. During the last century, the steel and mining industries shaped the region, creating a network of infrastructures and dedicated human capital that helped the port to face a future grounded on technology and sustainability. Covering 415 hectares of surface area and with 7,000 meters of berthing lines, the port of Gijón is one of the largest in Spain today and a hub of economic activity in the north of the country. It is equipped to meet the new needs of customers in terms of specialized terminals and drafts for large vessels and storage space. Gijón is located halfway along the northern coast of Spain at an extraordinary strategic point that connects the Atlantic with the major logistic nodes of the peninsula, either by rail or motorway. Its location in the Atlantic Arc allows the port of Gijón to be a key node in the flow of goods from 123 countries and the intermediate point between the routes linking Europe, America, and Asia. Thanks to its great industrial tradition, the port of Gijón is a market leader in industrial solid bulk. The EBHI terminal, which specializes in coal and iron ore, has an unloading capacity of 50,000 tons per day, making it a leading facility in the country. There are 192,500 cubic meters of liquid bulk storage, and the port has its own railway infrastructure. There is also room for cement cargoes and a specific terminal for agri-food bulk, with 22,000 square meters of storage space. Project cargoes are one of the strong points of the port of Gijón. We have more than 65 hectares of covered and open facilities dedicated to storing and processing large structures. Special equipment and our railway network enable us to handle and assemble large parts. Iron and steel products, ro-ro traffic, and the increasing flow of containers are also part of the port's day-to-day operations. The location, together with the sheltered waters and easy access, make it an excellent stopover for cruise ships on the increasingly sought-after Atlantic routes. Goods passing through the port are the connecting link between projects and people. Indeed, the mission of the Port of Gijón is to welcome and advise the companies that choose us and collaborate with them. A commitment that translates into a wide range of services to support logistics, management, and communications. The Port of Gijón is a place open to ideas and companies, with infrastructure and industrial land available for the installation of new companies. In addition to the industrial and logistics activities zone of Asturias, Zalia. And all this with the confidence of transparent and solid results, year after year. The natural environment that embraces the Port of Gijón inspires sustainability. 35% of the investment plan is allocated to the environment, and an environmental management system based on the international ISO 14001 standard. This system detects the most significant environmental impacts and enables us to act on them by continuously improving the organization's environmental management system. All this makes the Port of Gijón an environmental flagship. The Port of Gijón, a modern, sustainable, strategic facility with a solid industrial background that looks to the future. Port of Gijón, connecting projects.